What's up everybody, it's your boy Dr. John and we're about to kick off something really special. Welcome to our drone tour around Singapore's must-see places. We're about to go on a crazy ride, soaring above the streets, seeing the iconic landmarks, the hidden gems, all of it. Get ready to explore the Lion City from a whole new perspective. We're talking breathtaking views, insane architecture, and a whole lot of energy. So buckle up, because things are about to get awesome. Alright, first up, we're hitting up the one and only Marina Bay Sands. This isn't just any hotel, it's a landmark, a symbol of modern architecture and luxury. Nestled in the heart of Singapore, this place is a marvel of engineering and design. It's not just a place to stay, it's an experience, a destination in itself. This place is iconic. You know it, you love it. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell it's something special. The sleek lines, the futuristic design, it's like something out of a dream. And the best part, it's not just about looks. Marina Bay Sands offers a plethora of activities and amenities that cater to every type of traveler. But seeing it from up here, it's a whole other beast. The sheer scale of this structure is mind-blowing. It's like a city within a city, towering above everything else. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the genius behind its design. The way it seamlessly blends with the skyline yet stands out as a beacon of modernity. This massive structure, it's like something out of a science fiction movie. Imagine a futuristic metropolis and you're halfway there. The three towers rise majestically, connected by a sky park that defies gravity. It's a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. And it's not just about the architecture, it's about what it represents, a fusion of luxury, innovation, and culture. Three towers connected at the top by, get this, a giant surfboard. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just any sky park, it's a marvel of engineering. The sky park stretches across the three towers, offering breathtaking views and a unique experience. It's like walking on air, with the city of Singapore at your feet. And that, my friends, is the famous infinity pool. Perched on the edge of the sky park, this pool is the epitome of luxury. Imagine taking a dip in this pool with the city skyline as your backdrop. It's an experience like no other, a moment of pure bliss and relaxation. Can you imagine chilling in that pool, looking out over all of Singapore? It's the ultimate way to unwind and take in the beauty of this incredible city. The infinity pool is more than just a place to swim, it's a symbol of luxury and sophistication. It's where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and find a moment of peace. Talk about a power move. Lounging by this pool, you feel like you're on top of the world. It's a place where you can relax, recharge, and take in the stunning views. Whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or just enjoying a drink, the infinity pool at Marina Bay Sands offers an unparalleled experience. But it's not just the pool, look at this view. From up here you get a panoramic view of the entire city. The skyline stretches out before you, a mix of modern skyscrapers and historic buildings. It's a view that captures the essence of Singapore, a city that's constantly evolving yet deeply rooted in its heritage. We're talking panoramic cityscapes, the harbor glistening in the sun, and those crazy gardens by the bay just begging us to fly over. The view from Marina Bay Sands is like a living postcard, a snapshot of Singapore's vibrant energy and natural beauty. It's a sight that stays with you long after you've left, which, spoiler alert, we're going to do in a minute. But before we head over to the gardens by the bay, let's take a moment to appreciate where we are. Marina Bay Sands isn't just a hotel, it's a gateway to the best that Singapore has to offer. From world-class dining to high-end shopping, there's something for everyone here. But for now, let's soak in this view. This is Marina Bay Sands in all its glory. It's a place where dreams come to life, where every moment is a memory in the making. Whether you're here for a night or a week, Marina Bay Sands promises an experience you'll never forget. So take a deep breath, look around, and let the magic of this incredible place wash over you. Okay, remember those crazy gardens by the bay I just mentioned? Well, let me take you on a journey through one of the most futuristic and awe-inspiring places on Earth. Well, buckle up because we're going in. This isn't just any garden, it's a vision of the future, a blend of nature and technology that will leave you speechless. This place is like stepping into another world. Imagine walking among towering structures that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie, yet they're teeming with life. We've got these massive futuristic trees, they call them super trees, and they're covered in plants and flowers. Each Supertree is a vertical garden, home to a variety of ferns, vines, orchids, and other plants. It's like something out of Avatar, totally surreal. These Supertrees aren't just for show, they also serve an important ecological function, harnessing solar energy and collecting rainwater. And at night, they light up in this crazy light show. It's insane. The Garden Rhapsody light and sound show transforms the Supertree Grove into a dazzling spectacle, with lights dancing to the rhythm of music. But, hold up, it gets even wilder. Just when you think you've seen it all, there's more to explore. We're diving into the Cloud Forest Dome now. This isn't just a greenhouse, it's an entire ecosystem encapsulated in glass. This massive glass dome houses a full-on rainforest, complete with a waterfall cascading down the side. The waterfall is one of the tallest indoor waterfalls in the world, creating a misty, magical atmosphere. I'm talking lush greenery, exotic plants. It's like a jungle in the middle of the city. You'll find rare and unusual plants from tropical highlands up to 2,000 meters above sea level. This is what I'm talking about. Singapore is on another level. It's a place where nature meets innovation, creating a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're a nature lover, a tech enthusiast, or just looking for something extraordinary, Gardens by the Bay has something for everyone. Chapter 3. Sentosa Island, Beaches, Thrills, and Hollywood Magic. Alright, time for some fun in the sun. Sentosa Island is the ultimate destination for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a beach bum, or a family looking for a perfect getaway, Sentosa has it all. We're heading over to Sentosa Island, Singapore's playground. This island is a treasure trove of activities and attractions that cater to all ages and interests. From the moment you step foot on Sentosa, you'll be greeted by a vibrant atmosphere and a plethora of options to choose from. First up, check out these beaches. Sentosa boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in Singapore. Whether you're looking to relax and soak up the sun or engage in some beach sports, there's something for everyone. White sand, crystal clear water, palm trees swaying in the breeze. It's like a slice of paradise right here in Singapore. The beaches are meticulously maintained, ensuring a pristine environment for all visitors. It's the perfect escape from the city. Imagine lounging on the soft sand, listening to the gentle waves, and feeling the cool sea breeze. It's a rejuvenating experience that will leave you refreshed and recharged. But Sentosa is more than just beaches. The island is packed with a variety of attractions that promise endless fun and excitement. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or someone who prefers a more laid-back experience, Sentosa has got you covered. We're talking theme parks, water parks, golf courses, you name it. Adventure seekers can get their fix at the thrilling rides and attractions, while those looking for a more relaxed day can enjoy a round of golf or a leisurely stroll through the lush landscapes. And of course, no trip to Sentosa is complete without a visit to Universal Studios Singapore. This world-renowned theme park brings the magic of Hollywood right to your doorstep. From the moment you enter, you'll be transported into a world of movie magic and adventure. We're talking Hollywood-level rides, shows, and attractions. Whether you're a fan of heart-pounding roller coasters or captivating live shows, Universal Studios Singapore has something to thrill and entertain everyone. From roller coasters to meet and greets with your favorite characters, the park offers a unique blend of excitement and nostalgia. It's a place where both kids and adults can let their imaginations run wild. Sentosa has something for everyone. Whether you're here for the beaches, the thrills, or the Hollywood magic, you're guaranteed to have an unforgettable experience. So, pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime on Sentosa Island. Chapter 4. Chinatown, a sensory overload in the best way possible. Get ready for a sensory overload because we're diving into the heart of Singapore's Chinatown. This place is a whirlwind of colors, smells, and sounds. We're talking traditional shophouses, street vendors selling everything under the sun, and temples adorned with intricate carvings. The energy here is electric. You can feel the history, the culture, the lifeblood of the city pulsing through these streets. We're gonna grab some delicious street food, bargain for souvenirs, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Chinatown is a must-see for any visitor to Singapore. Chapter 5. Orchard Road Shop Till You Drop. Alright shopaholics, this one's for you. We're hitting up Orchard Road, Singapore's shopping paradise. This street is lined with malls, department stores, and boutiques all vying for your attention. We're talking high-end fashion, luxury brands, electronics, you name it, Orchard Road has it. Even if you're not a big shopper, it's worth checking out the sheer scale and extravagance of it all. We're talking designer flagship stores, massive video screens, and a constant flow of people. Orchard Road is a testament to Singapore's status as a global shopping destination. Outro's so much more to explore. Thanks for joining us on this aerial adventure around Singapore. We just scratched the surface of what this amazing city has to offer. From the futuristic marvels of Marina Bay Sands to the cultural richness of Chinatown, Singapore is a feast for the senses. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tours. We've got a lot more adventures in store. Until next time, keep exploring.